Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo. First, open the Venmo app, then tap Crypto at the bottom. Select Bitcoin, then tap Buy. If it's your first time, Venmo will ask for a few details. Just follow the prompts. Once you're on the buy screen, choose the amount like $1, $50, or $100. Fees vary by amount. Choose your payment method like Venmo balance, bank, or debit card. Optional, enable price alerts for Bitcoin. When you're ready, tap Buy Bitcoin. After confirmation, the Bitcoin will appear in your Venmo account instantly. And that's it. That's how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.